What's up, my little butterflies? Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. I'm Tamara. So today I'm answering a question that I have been getting asked over the last couple weeks or so. What is a BB cream? What is a tinted hydrator? What is a tinted moisturizer? And what is a CC cream? And what are the differences? Why are there so many different ones? I'm going to tell you. And I'm going to spill some tea. So sit back, relax, grab a snack, grab a glass of wine, maybe some tea, since we're going to be spilling some anyway, and let's get to it. So let's get off.
That's what she said.
With what is what. Okay, so I do have notes, so if I'm looking over here, it's because I'm looking at my notes, but I'm going to try very hard not to. Let's start with the beginning of the alphabet, shall we? The BB cream. I love this BB cream. I've been using it for, since it came out pretty much, I've been using it. It is the Maybelline BB Dream Fresh BB Cream. So what is the BB Cream? A BB Cream is a beauty balm or a blemish balm. It has SPF in it, so you got your skincare taken care of. It is lightweight. It is has a little bit of coverage. It's supposed to cover up all those, like the minor imperfections in your face, and it gives you a more natural looking finish rather than having a whole face of foundation on. I'm using the e.l.f. Power Grip Primer today, by the way. Okay, so what I love about this, so I have the light to medium sheer tint, and it has 8-in-1 skin. It's an 8-in-1 skin perfector. So it actually does say it on the bottle here, guys. It says skin hydrating beauty balm, and it has sunscreen. It has SPF 30 in it. So I'm just gonna put a little bit on the back of my hand and show you what it looks like. It looks like that. I know that it has color, but it's not gonna be, I think I put on way too much for the amount. Yes, it does have a little bit of a color, but it does blend into your skin really, really naturally. You see that? It's one of the things that I absolutely love about this. And I'm only putting it on this side of my face, so I took a little too much, but here, okay, so this is what it looks like blended in. Obviously my face is a different color than my hand because that's just how things work. So it's just a very sheer different color, but like it's not that big of a difference. I like it because it really does just provide like just enough coverage if you just want just a little bit of coverage on your face. And it's just to me it feels like an extra layer of skin. If you put it on correctly, it should feel like an extra layer of skin. Why would you use a BB cream? Okay, so one thing is, so it's to cover up it's a beauty balm, guys. It just balms out your face. It usually has more SPF in it than like a tinted hydrator, which I don't think mine has anyway. So it's like an extra layer, like a chapstick or like a lip balm. See? So that's what it looks like, okay? All right, so then the next one, we're gonna go in alphabetical order, as I said. Now, a CC cream is different than a BB cream because this is a color corrector product. The thing about this particular CC cream is that it is probably the most coverage that I'm going to have on all of my face today. A CC cream is a color corrector. If you want more coverage, it definitely gives you more coverage. The reason why it's called a color corrector is because it helps with color discoloration, skin discoloration, such as redness or dark spots and all that, to blur fine lines and wrinkles. Right, so the CC cream I used was the Palladio. It's also a full coverage, so it says full coverage, color correcting and skincare. It's an oil-free formula with peptides and vitamins. We're gonna do it on this side of my face because I feel like I can blend it out better this way, but you can see that it's definitely more full coverage. It's also not my color. And I didn't want to do a video without a CC cream, but now I'm trying to think that maybe we'll make it work. We'll make it work. We always do, don't we? That's what a CC cream is. There's definitely more coverage. Don't mind the yellow and the orange or whatever. There's definitely full coverage than the BB cream. So, because it's a color corrector, and so it's supposed to cover more. All of these are perfect for everyday wear. That's the main thing, okay? Tinted hydrators are obviously better for those who have drier skin or dehydrated skin, because if you have oily skin, why would you want to put more hydration on? Tinted hydrator, we are using the Wet n Wild Bare Focus Tinted Hydrator. This has hyaluronic acid and squalene in it. It is lightweight, a non-greasy finish. It is a sheer to medium coverage. I'm actually kind of convinced this is not a sheer to medium coverage. Anybody watch Vanderpump Rules last week? Squirrel! It was so cringy. We're gonna put it up here because the other one is definitely the sheerest. Right, so you see this is definitely not a sheer coverage. And this is, I don't know why this says it's a sheer coverage because it's clearly not, but it does work. I like it more. As you guys know, I absolutely love this product, but as I've been using it more, I have been noticing that it's obviously definitely more full coverage, and it doesn't feel like a second layer of skin. It feels like I'm wearing makeup sometimes. But this is what it looks like blended out more. It's also now on top of the CC cream, so there's that. I mean, this one literally says, like, sunken into my skin. It, like, sinks into your skin, which is what I love. Now what's a tinted moisturizer, right? Same thing as a tinted hydrator, except it contains a small amount of color, which the tinted hydrator does too a little bit. It is designed to provide a sheer, natural-looking coverage that evens out the skin, gives a subtle glow while moisturizing and hydrating your skin. Okay, so last but not least, we are doing the True Match Lumi Glotion. Now, I have it in the color 902. It's a light glow. This one also does not have SPF in it, so I have a feeling that only one side of my face is going to be covered today. And if you remember correctly, this one is very shimmery, and I shouldn't have put on as much. I'm so ugh. See? Yeah. So my chin is going to be very shiny. Okay. Yeah, so last week's episode, things are really starting to, like, come into play here. Tom is becoming this is a very interesting look, and I'm going to be leaving the house this way. Tom Sandoval is definitely dropping massive amounts of breadcrumbs for everyone to, like, figure out. Raquel spent the night before the last week's episode, and Ariana was in Florida dealing with the death of her grandmother, and when Ariana asked Tom to leave this party that he was at because her grandmother passed away, he said that he couldn't get an Uber, but his friend was still there who he had driven with, but then he said that his friend Jason had left. Ariana, on the other hand, was told that he missed Jason's ride because he was taking a number 2. And he kept changing his story. It was just, his lies are catching up. And I'm very excited. They all pretty much do the same thing. It's all a matter of what type of finish you're looking for and the type of skin you have. Bottom line, end of story, that is what it is. I prefer this one for like an everyday. I know that I've been saying I prefer this one for everyday, but I really do prefer this one for everyday because look at how natural it looks. I want to show you what they all look like not together because I'm not gonna do 4 different faces, but I'm gonna show you the different finishes that happens when you apply other makeup. That was the point of this. Okay, glad I thought. Took a minute to think there. So I'm gonna put on the Essence Pure Nude Baked Blush in Shimmery Rose. I just really wanted something light today. Watch me, like, completely backfire on that one. But yes, so Tom Schwartz definitely knew what was going on. It was just so it was even I didn't think that the show could get cringier. I was wrong. And, like, how this whole thing came out is because Raquel came into work late, hungover, and said, oh, I spent the night at Tom Sandoval's house while Ariana was away. Oh, and they went glamping for Raquel's birthday. Okay, so I'm going to try and do this I'm using the color, for my eyes, I'm going to be using the ColourPop Sorbet Quad. And I'm just going to do a quick, but, so I'm starting off with this one. So what happened is, everyone's questioning Tom Sandoval. Why are you doing this? Ariana is in Florida, blah, blah, blah. And he's like, well, Raquel's like family. We're like really good friends and whatever. And okay. And even Ariana was like defending her. Like, yeah, she sleeps on our couch like all the time. Or like in our guest room all the time. Yeah, but you're usually home, Like, that's the difference. You're usually home. It was just so inappropriate. It was so inappropriate, guys. Like, I can't even. Okay, so now I'm going to take this one. And I'm just going to bring that in a little bit. Like, he just kept changing his story. Oh, yeah, Raquel dipped out. When someone says dipped out, it means that they left. It didn't mean that they left the hot tub that she was sharing with Tom Schwartz and Tom Sandoval and went to go sleep on the couch. It meant that she left. But she didn't leave. Okay, so then I'm gonna take this one right here. Look how pretty that is. Yeah, so everyone's like, something's not kosher here. Something's not right.
What the hell is that smell?
Like, you can definitely see it in Sandoval's face that he knows that he's, like, doing something bad and getting away with it.
You got caught with your trousers down, literally.
The fact that they got away with it for so damn long, that's what I'm like, how did that happen? How did that happen? Lala has definitely figured out that Raquel has a thing for Sandoval. And I'm pretty sure she's found out that Sandoval has a thing for Raquel. But yeah, so they go glamping, and they give her this, Raquel, like, it's for her birthday, and it's for, like, they give her, like, this really, really, really nice, or, like, vintage Versace sunglasses or something, and they're just like, yay, Raquel, we love Raquel, and here I am thinking, like, poor Ariana. And then I'm gonna just take that one, and I'm just gonna put it a little bit over here just to give it a little bit more color and shine. Hi, Augie. Going in with the lash and roll, especially the glamping, and they were like, oh, Raquel, you're like our family, we love you, why would you sleep on the couch when we have a guest room? I'm sure she didn't sleep on the couch, but you know, I hate watching people be played like Ariana was because of the fact that her boyfriend's a douche.
A sneaky, conniving, power-hungry, condescending, lying sack of crap.
And like coming off as if, oh, I love you so much, blah, blah, blah. I care about you. And yet, I'm screwing your best friend. That's what he was doing. He was screwing her best friend. I think I'm gonna mix my mascaras today. What do you guys think? I'm going in now with the new Maybelline Surreal Falsies. I want to see what that will look like, if it'll give my eyelashes a little bit more of a pop. I'm gonna go in concealer now because I totally forgot about that. The whole thing, like, it's just slowly starting to, like, look how shiny my chin is. Oh, it only looks up, like, because everything else is matte, but alright, we're gonna set it down with some of our Makeup Revolution powder. See, we made it all work. It's all starting to bubble and it's all starting to come to a head, and I'm ready for it.
I am so pumped up!
And for our lips, we are going in with the NYX Fat Oil, the Lip Drip Fat Oil. And this is in the color Supermodel. I love this color. It's shiny, but yet there's like a subtle and yet not color. Okay, so considering that I'm wearing 4 different types of skin coverage right now, I think I look pretty good. All of the products that I have down below. I hope that you enjoyed this video. I hope that I educated you a little bit as to what the different products are. I hope that I helped you out a little bit. These all come in, well, this one only comes in like 3 different shades, but I think the rest of them come in all different shades and for your skin tone and all that stuff. But if you have any questions about them, don't hesitate to leave a comment down below to ask. I'm more than welcome to answer them for you. Also, please don't forget to hit that like, subscribe, and bell button down below so you can be alerted as to when I post new videos, which is every Tuesday and Friday. And I hope to see you soon, my little butterflies. Okay, I love you. See you next time.